Skôr 55 a toto je Five Nights at Freddy's 3, áno, ideme na to, takže je to save, takže Coming soon Fazbear's Fright, the horror attraction. Local amusement park is getting scarier, sucks out more mysteries of fairy fog, bear, pizza a na to, fúha. Hovorí, nepreskakujem tentokrát. Fine, big for another night.
I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. We found some great new relics over the weekend.
Ja by som to strihol, ale...
Right now. So, let me just update you real quick.
Fajn, strihol som to, ale na prd úplne. Úplne na prd strih, sorry. Radšej to strihať nebudem, lebo to dopadne potom. Sorry. Dobre to nestrihám. Ak sa mi to nenahrávalo, tak som v ríti. Áno, sa to nahrávalo. Tak, v každom si dáme jednu noc. Tak, sorry. Ako bonus aj minihru, hej? Dvojku ani nechcem točiť. Pretože... Počkaj, trošku stiším. Okej. No... Dvojku točiť nebudem, pretože... Sorry, pretože... Tam už som na 6. noci a nechce sa mi. Však hovoríte aj v trojke, no. No tak som aj v trojke, hej, ale... To sa mi uložilo, hej. Keďže uložené. Sa mi nechá uložené kvôli... To je jedno, kvôli čomu.
Found another set of drawings, always nice, and a foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy copy.
Audio.
And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal.
Kamery.
Lots of fingers. Right now the place is basically just, you know, flash and movie props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. If we don't have something really cool by next week, then we may have to suit you up in our furry suits and make you walk around saying, boo. But, you know, like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So, we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that may go offline.
Okay, dal som si to niekam, kde si to už
overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. Yeah, I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk.
Všetko beží.
The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation.
Aj myška beží.
And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
To bola len taká noc, že na úvod. Že nám o tom niečo povie. A že len také kecanie, že to sa nič nedieje. Čiže fakt dobré. A tohto dráta som si dobre tým nevšimol. Lebo som asi slepý, no taktož. Tak. Je to tu. A aspoň to vychytám audio, lebo to je proste najlepšie. Lebo proste audio je najlepšie. Hahaha. Teď hodín. A ten strich, sorry. Moje obľúbené zvonenie aj. Ja mám pretože v dvojke aj v trojke. Fajn, sme Freddy. Follow me, hovno. Ty chod sám za sebou. Srbí ucho, ale nemôžem. Ty? To len sluchatka, druhú noc už nejdem.
Hey man.
OK, fajn, to bolo všetko pre Let's Play Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Čakajte. To bolo všetko pre tento Let's Play.